we are going to discuss the chapter inflorescence. At first, definition of inflorescence. Inflorescence is a natural bunch of flower producing purpose for pollination. Inflorescence is a natural bunch of flower producing purpose for pollination. There are three types of inflorescence. First, racemose. Second, cymose. And third type is mixed inflorescence. Mixed inflorescence. At first, we are going to see the part of inflorescence. Part of inflorescence. This is the main axis of inflorescence. It is called as peduncle. Peduncle. Then stalk of individual flower is called as pedicel. Pedicel. Peduncle is a main axis of inflorescence and pedicel is a stalk of individual flower. This is the part of inflorescence. Then difference between racemose and cymose inflorescence. Racemose inflorescence is a limited growth, have limited growth, and cymose inflorescence have unlimited growth. Here in racemose inflorescence, younger flower are at the base, younger flower are at the apex, and here younger flower at the base. See, this is the simple inflorescence. This is old flower. This is younger flower. Here younger flower are at the apex, older flower are at the base. In cymose, suppose main axis ends in a flower, it produces a lateral branch and it produces the flower. This is the older flower and this is the younger flower. Means in racemose, younger flower are at the apex and in cymose, the younger flower are at the base. This is the main difference between the racemose and cymose inflorescence. Then there are types of racemose inflorescence, subtypes. First is simple raceme. Simple raceme. Here main axis is long elongated. Older flower are at the base, younger flower are at the apex. This is the simple raceme. And example of simple raceme is brassica. Second is compound raceme. Here main axis becomes branched. Arrangement of the flower are same, means older flower at the base, younger flower are at the apex. Arrangement of flower is same like the simple raceme, means older flower at the base, younger flower at the apex, but peduncle becomes branched. That is called as compound raceme. And example of compound raceme is Shankasur. Then third type is spike inflorescence. Spike. Here in this spike inflorescence, main axis peduncle is long elongated, but here flower are sessile. In simple and compound raceme, there are flower are pedicellate. Here flower are sessile. Arrangement of flower is same like the simple raceme, means older flower at the base, younger flower at the apex, but flower are sessile. This is called as spike inflorescence. And example of spike inflorescence is example of spike tuberose, gladiolus, Tuberose means nichigun. Then compound spike. Compound spike. Here main axis is long elongated, flowers are sessile, older flower are at the base, younger flower at the apex, but the peduncle becomes branched. Peduncle becomes branched. This is called as compound spike. And example of compound spike is grasses, all grasses, then wheat, rice, etc. Next type is spadix inflorescence. Sorry, before that, one more type is catkin inflorescence. Catkin inflorescence. Here, main axis is long elongated, flowers are sessile, older flower at the base, younger flower at the apex, but the axis becomes pendulate. Axis of floral axis becomes pendulum, like pendulum, and male flowers and female flowers are separate. This is called as catkin inflorescence, and example of catkin is Acalypha. Acalypha. This is the catkin inflorescence. And next type is spadix inflorescence. Spadix. Here main axis of inflorescence is fleshy. Main axis of inflorescence is fleshy. Three types of flowers are present on the axis. Male flower at the base of floral axis. This is the male flower. Female flower are present at the apex of axis. This is the female flowers, and in between male and female there are the sterile flowers. Sterile flowers. Three types of flowers are present on the floral axis, and whole floral axis is covered by the spathe, bract, colored bract called as spathe. This is the colored bracts. Example is banana. After that, simple spadix, there is a compound spadix. Compound spadix. In this compound spadix, floral axis is fleshy. All flowers means male, female and sterile flowers are present on the fleshy axis, but it becomes branched. It becomes branched, and whole inflorescence is covered by large woody bracts. Large woody bracts. Here fleshy bracts in simple, but in compound there are the woody bracts, and example of compound spadix is coconut. Coconut. This is about the compound spadix.